What? So what? I symbolize, I don't care. Put your hands up. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? With the metal, that's right. How? That's right, that's the wolf. And no, I won't turn it down. No, I won't turn it down. So once they fire me from my job, screw that job. Screw the evidence sucks, that's right. How? What you gonna do with me? What you gonna do? They screwed me over, so I'm gonna tell them the same thing. And those mumble rappers can go suck it. I can't understand a word they say. Damn my pants. Watch me take over the world with the have no like what? You can't stop me. No. I'm gonna rock the whole damn night. No, I don't use that to screw the auto-tune, that's right. Get louder, turn it up. How? You can't stop me. I love my girlfriend on the king size mattress like what? With the heavy metal beat like what? Boom. No, I don't make pop music because pop music sucks. Freedom of speech, what? I don't care, I symbolize, sometimes I do symbolize, but I'll never use the auto-tune. Put your hands up. How? It's the wolf, it's the beast. It's the animal inside me. It's the monster inside me. What? It's the animal inside me. It's the monster inside me. Let's go. One more time. Watch it get heavy. Watch it get heavy. Watch the bells ring. If you cross me, I'll cut your head off with a guillotine. Those 10 commands do not diss the wolf. How? I'm like Bucky Dennis, but the mic is my staff. Alright, Mo, just for I can. I like it heavy. So what if I back off the heavy metal? That's what I do. How? What? It's my choice. And Justin Bieber still sucks. 1, 2. Here I go again. Instinct? You might as well call them instinct. Boy bands are trash. Heavy metal the class. Yeah. How? You can't stop me. Turn it up. 1, 2. As I go crazy with the metal. 1, 2. As I go crazy with the metal. How? You can't stop me. I told you before. They tried to put me away once in the mental hospital. Then I got out on good behavior. What? How? It's the wall. What's my name? Whoa. How? You can't stop me. How?